Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video, and today I want us to talk about how to use the Trade Pro pages.dev. And the first thing, let me just talk about these deriv sniper analysis. So when you go to Trade Pro FX dbot.pages.dev, then you click on the analysis tab. Then you will then go and check on where the deriv sniper analysis tool is. So you'll just click it and you will able to view the whole situation like this. Then I want to talk about specifically over under, and this is for most people who don't like risking that much. You can see the stake I want us to use there. I mean the capital I want us to use there is only for USD. So I want to talk to people who can who normally want to who normally have such kind of capital. So from there, you with such a capital, you need to trade either over 2, and then you can either trade under 7. So you see, I've put the values like that, and then trade type I'm on the over under. So volatility is 75 there, and the number of ticks I'm using is the current 120 ticks. So look at this trading guide. Anytime you see it says if you want to trade under 7, look at it when it is at 85%. Look at this price here, 85%. You can run your boat. So let's try something there. So you can see uh, let me first look at the trading amount, which is the stake. So the stake, let's use the martingale size is 2, and then yeah, we need to change the stake to 0.50. That's what you should be using if you have a small stake. So that is it. And then if we get now the right entry, we can run our bot. So let's go back to this. You can see it's at 80%. Normally, you will find most of you guys trading over under like under digit 7, and maybe the over and under they are at a probability of here like 40 and here 60. So you'll find you most of the time you will be losing on those trades. But if you get to trade according to the trading guide I have provided here, if it is at 85%, you are ready to scoop some few profits and you are done. Let's say you have 4 USD there and you want to look for something. Look for like 2 USD and get out. And say 2 USD, that's have the same capital you began, and you can call it a day. So always check the market here after you press the digits you want to analyze. So let's check for another market like volatility 10. Let's start from volatility 10. We can see volatility 10 has 75%. We have said any either of them, if it is shows 85 plus, that's when we can run our bot. Don't give up, just check the correct market. That's volatility 25. You can see the probability is at 81. And if you there are some of you that do not like having patience, then don't try trading where these digits are below like 5% below. So if you just want to run your bot like this one under, then don't enter the market if it is below 80%, or if the over is below 80%. Just be fair and stay along that path. So we can see this is volatility 25. Let's see whether we can get an entry using this. Let's change this. This is volatility 25. So we can change to over under, it's still same. So let's see, in case it enters 85, we can run our bot and wait for to see the outcome. So 84.2. So you can see it's still not on the average part. And then remember here, change it to under 7, because the under 7 is what is at 85%. And then you can run your bot. So let's run our bot and then wait. So I'll just go to the transactions page. So okay, let me run. You can see it's good. So that's the first trade. Let's see, 86. and then stay looking at this point. So you can see the first one is a loss because of this over. So let's wait for a recovery. So under let's wait. So let's wait. It is not happening. You can see it's not picking any trades. Okay, it has taken a trade. Okay, let's proceed. So this is, you can see it's at 85, so you can now maneuver using it, but don't trade whenever it is below 80 plus. 80 will make you lose the trades. So when you go for some several runs, like 5 runs, you can stop the boat and then focus and wait for another entry. Those are 5 runs, so you stop from there. So let me click button. So if you run 5 runs, you can reset or either wait for the entry again. That's how you use the TradeProFX.pages.dev under the deriv sniper analysis. So that means if you have the more the capital, you can use a bigger stake, and then you will scoop some trades very well. Then let's go back. So you will either wait again for the under market to be at 85% as it is, and then you can run your bot. So that's how you trade the over under digit 7 or over 2. So this applies also if it was the over part was above that 85%. So normally, if you, let's go back and check maybe for another market, and you see, so you'll go back for like volatility 50. Let's see volatility 50, we can see it's at 75. So we go back to 75, volatility 75 is on 76. So you look for above 85 as the trading guide shows. So let's see, that says 60. So you go to volatility 10 1s and you look for these probability markets. That's when you will run your trades. So you can see that one. Let's check to volatility. Volatility, this is volatility 25 1s. So we can see volatility 25 1s shows 75% probability. So we check again volatility 50. So you go that way, checking what is the best. So you can see this one is closer to 85%. You wait for it, then change the trading parameters and change the current market, wait for it. You can see 85% is this part here. And then you can also observe along this point here. This one is the last one under, and then you can observe the digits being produced. So you can see under 9, that is over 7 because you have put the value here as 7. So it's both looking at them, what is the best patterns that it is looking for. So again, we go to volatility 75 index, and that's how you observe the market carefully. Just follow what it says, and then you can see the signal strength guide. This is for the even odd, just follow as the percentages are. Then for the rise and fall, follow as the percentages are. And then look for the best entry point. So this is volatility 100. Look for it to be either which side is 85% and above, then execute your trades, and ensure you have a martingale if you have a small account, so that in case of a loss it will recover, but let it be on the 85% mark. That is it. Let's meet in the next video, as long as you have understood, and that applies to any other digits, not only over 2 and under 7. So if you want to do for over 3, go down below, look the over probabilities for over 3, and under digit maybe like 6, it should be 70%. So let's say you want to look at under 6, you'll just put at 6, then you can look which one is under probability with 70%. So you can see on this market, volatility 10, this is 62.5, so you want it to be at 70%, and you keep looking at the best market which is working. Like here you can see volatility 25 under digits shows 70, so you can try that and change your market to volatility 25 under market, then change to 6, run for some small entry points like 5 runs, and then you call it a day. So that is it. You can look at this one. We have said at already at 70, then you run for like 5 runs, then you stop the market immediately. That's how you use this Trade Pro FX analysis tool. That is the the deriv sniper analysis. That's how you do it, and then scoop your profits, get out, and call it a day. So with those few remarks, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so that you don't ever be left behind. And that is it. Let's call it a day. So you wait for the 10 run, and then you can call it a day. And that is it. Finally, those are 10 runs, and you stop your boat and you go looking. So we were trading under digit 6 by that time. So that's how you use the deriv sniper analysis. So in case of a question, let me know on the comment section, and how you can get this one, I'll put it on the description, tradeprofx.pages.dev, and that's how you do trading the over under using the deriv sniper analysis. Any comments, any question, let me see there on the comments below. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.